Tournament Edition gaming headset from Redgear. With its hardware-driven virtual 7.1 surround sound, you'll be able to detect even the sneakiest of enemies lurking around. Equipped with the remote, you can adjust volume and the RGB lighting at the click of a button. Now let's quickly unbox this headset and see what's inside. The closed ear cup's design blocks any kind of distraction from outside, so you can focus on your gameplay. And inside the box, we have the user manual, a super cool Redgear sticker, along with the driver utility. And here is the Cosmo 7.1 Tournament Edition headset. The build quality feels nice and sturdy, while the overall weight feels comfortable. There is an adjustable noise-cancelling microphone with an LED light and the adjustable split headband design, along with the luxurious noise-isolating memory foam earpad, reduce pressure, providing optimal comfort for long gaming sessions. The braided and laminated cable will last you a lifetime, and the buttons on the controller are nice and tactile. With the USB Type-A connector, you can simply plug and play, so get yours today and game on.